Making money online playing video games, is that really possible? When searching for ways to make money online on YouTube, you used to see a lot of videos on how to make money online playing video games. Do you really think what they show really works? The question is, do you really want to try it? So today I'm here to show you how to make money online playing video games, because I've also looked for how to make money online on YouTube, and I used to fall on all those type of videos that used to tell people that they can make money online playing video games. Are you ready to spend time to play those video games and make money online? The money is there for you already, but the big problem that you are going to face is, do you want to spend time to make money playing video games? Because what I can guarantee you is that these video games are going to take you time, and if you want to really make that money, you have to be committed to play the video games until you reach the target that is required for you to make the money before you can make it. Today I want to show you one website where you can find numerous video games that you can play and make money online. You need to go and create your Swagbucks account. This is my account. I have 200 Swagbucks. This means I have $2, right? So if I keep answering surveys on a daily basis, I can make $50, $100, $200, $500, $1,000. But it all depends on your commitment. You need to come to this place, answer. Once you are here, you need to look on the left hand side to come down to this place and look for swag button, my account, survey poll. So you come to discover here, you click on discover. Once you click on discover, you need to go down to sponsored offers. On sponsored offers, you will see a lot of things that you can do. We are going to pick game options. This is my account and this is the game I'm playing right now. They gave me 19 days for me to finish playing the game and reach the target, which is level 21 on the game. Once I reach this level 21, I'm going to complete the task and I'm going to get 250 Swagbucks, which is $2. The game is very tough. I'm on level 8 right now, and like, I don't even feel like playing it again. If you are able to play and finish, you make $2. Come here to sponsored offers. So these are the offers. Revo gives offers and surveys. So you can earn Swagbucks playing mobile games. You can get a chance to win a PlayStation 5. Answer this survey regarding sports. So you can answer it and get one Swagbucks. You can play this game, play merge hotel and fix the soda machine, then you can make 432 Swagbucks. So let's move on to Torox. You can play this game called Smash Party Hero. There are different levels that you have to get to. So complete world 1 to 10, 2 to 10, 3 to 10 until 8 to 10. So if you sum it up, you are going to make 1000 Swagbucks, which is $10. Quite a lot of money, right? Like this game, Wishing Well. This one is play and reach as far as you can, then you can make 1000 Swagbucks, which is $10. And then this one is 461, like different amount of Swagbucks that you can keep playing the game and you can keep going down. There are many opportunities. Let's try and play this game. We need to scan the QR code. So it's now scanning. Let's show the option. Open a link on Chrome, on Google Chrome. Click on Play Store and then install our game. So the app is already installed. So what we need to do now is to open it and then start playing. So notification permission, okay, no, I don't want notification from you. So now you need to link your account to the mail that you use to open your Swagbucks account. So Swagbucks, that's what you need to use to continue, so that it will reflect here on your screen. So guys, I've already started, but right now what we need to check is, have we been able to complete this step? So the only way for you to know is to refresh your dashboard. Alright, so guys, as you can see, we have already started playing here. This one is in progress, this one is also in progress. So these are the steps that I need to complete. So I've already been able to complete this step. So get 500 coins. What you need to do is, like, you need to first start. So guys, for you to be able to play this video game, install another application, and in that application that you are going to install, you will play a game that will give you the coin that you are looking for. I'm not going to install the application just because I don't want to play it, but you can play it because I've already showed you how much they can pay you. Alright, so if you do it, then you are going to be able to make it. For me, I'm just here to show you how you can do it. After you are done making money, then you can come over to this place and then you can click on redeem your Swagbucks. Redeem your Swagbucks, just like you trying to withdraw your Swagbucks, but there are some levels before you can withdraw, right? So if you have $10, you can withdraw it. If you think that video games are very hard, you can just keep answering surveys until you make $10, and then you can come here, click on PayPal, and you can try to withdraw it. So the limit is $10, and I'm far away from $10. That's why it's showing gray here and white here. But once everything is white, that means I'll unlock it and I'll be able to withdraw it from PayPal. I've already linked my PayPal to my account. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please smash the like button, comment something nice down below in the comment section, and share it to everybody that wants to make money online. And before I make another video, I'll tell you bye bye, ciao.